Hey guys, it's Carter, and today I'm coming at you with a quick update on gold and silver. And it looks like the retail traders have discovered the short trade on gold and silver. So, my condolences, gold and silver bears. I believe this trade is almost over, and we're going to see a rip higher in the coming weeks and months. Why do I think this is coming, and where do I think gold and silver are going to be heading to? Join me in this video, it should be quite interesting. So here on the gold futures daily chart, we're just hovering under 4,500 right now. And you can see we've been resisted by this downsloping resistance level. It's now approximately at 4,650. It's approximately there. We've failed to get above it now 4 consecutive times. I believe this breakout, the breakout of this resistance, is coming in the days and weeks, and it's going to lead to a much larger move towards the upside. But I do anticipate we're going to see the $4,400 level tested first, and the $4,250 level possibly as well, possibly. And provided we're above this level right here, the $4,100 pivot, provided we don't see a sustained break below that low made at the end of March, I believe gold is going to see a breakout of the 4,650 descending resistance level back above 5,000 towards the $5,300 target, and possibly even the $5,600 target as well in the summer period. Do we get to 5,600? I don't know. Do we even get to 5,300? I don't know. What I do see is likely is a strong push on gold and silver coming up. I'm going to show you the targets on silver in a moment here, but I do believe we are going to see a rapid move towards the upside once we break this descending resistance level, which I think is likely going to happen provided we continually hold the $4,250 level if we get that low, and we definitely need to sustain above 4,100. But in an ideal world, 4,250 is going to hold us here on gold. So this emotional short trade that retail investors are piling in right now is nothing more than a C wave in my eyes. I think we're going to be completing a C wave between the 4,400 and 4,250 support, possibly a little lower. But yeah, I think this is nothing more than a corrective move to the downside before we see a push back towards the upside. That's what I think is likely occurring here. Now on to silver. So here on silver, the setup is largely the same. I see an ABC correction occurring, an A wave, B wave, C wave correction that should ideally hold the just sub $70 level. So that's the level that should ideally hold on the C wave decline for silver here. But provided we stay above this pivot low here at around 61. So as long as we're sustaining above the late March support level, the late March low here at $61, I'm going to remain bullish for a move towards the upside to take out our pivot B wave high at around the just sub 90 level, or maybe it was just over, not too sure. I think we're going to be heading back over $100 towards $105 and possibly even a little bit higher here on silver. That's what I think is likely going to occur. But remember, again, we need to be holding the $61 support level to keep this bullish perspective alive here on silver. Ideally, we hold the just sub $70 level. Risk management is so important, guys. I shave my arms. Even my grooming has risk management. So yeah, risk management is key. Watch those levels and watch for big upside moves in gold and silver that catch the bears off guard, because we've seen an emotional decline over the last few sessions. I think they're about to be coming to an end. I don't think there's too much more downside in these moves we've seen. Look for a huge swing back towards the upside in the days and weeks to come, heading into the summer period. All right. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Take care. Have a good one.